Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the warp stabilizer in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in Davinci Resolve and I have added a video for my media pool. This is just a tutorial that I have done previously, and I'll be using this to show you how to stabilize your warp. Now, this is not shaky footage, but I cannot find any shaky footage on my PC, so this will just have to do. You'll just have to follow my steps and try them on your video, and they should work 99% of the time. Now, as you can see, I have inserted it and I'm in the cut tab on my Davinci Resolve, and what you want to do is go to the edit tab, which is the third from the left icon in the bottom bar. First is media, then is cut, and then goes edit. And then once you're here, you'll have to select your video. It should already be selected, but if it is not, just click on it and everything should be fine. Now that you've selected it, you want to go into the inspector in the top right, and you just want to scroll all the way down until you find stabilization. Literally all you have to do is just click stabilize, and that should be it. Once you do that, and once you play your video, your footage should no longer be shaky and everything should be perfectly fine. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.